Baba. Malokofu. Gadi. Siyakulega. Baba Baba. Baba. Gadi. Majogofu. Majogofu. Kulegile kaya. Kulegile kaya. Baba. Baba. Gadi. Gadi. Majogofu. Majogofu. Kulegile kaya. Kulegile kaya. Baba. Baba. Gadi. Gadi. Majogofu. Majogofu. Sikhulekile ekhaya. Sikhulekile ekhaya. Baba. Baba. Ngadi. Ngadi. Majogofu. Majogofu. Sikhulekile ekhaya. Sikhulekile ekhaya.
Then they will stop whatever they say. And until we leave, we will not notice anything. Even if they were fighting, but we will not notice anything. Yeah. Okay, that's the chef coming. Let's see if then Induna is reporting. Okay. Yes. Thank you. We are all allowed inside. We are allowed. Right to man? Thank you. You did a good job.
Good job. Good job.
Very good job.
Bueno,
All right. Well, here we are having the cow's crow. This is the cow's crow. It's like the house of the cow. It's the daily duty for every man in the homestead. Is that in the early morning they take the cows out of the kraal for grazing and browsing, and also the goats. And that is what we are teaching you, how to take the cows out of the kraal. But you do not take them to the grazing yard. You just leave them. That's right.
Branding.
Yes, because it was very I want to start to executive leader in the group. We move every time and we get It's a tradition. Every time I took a fish because we took
Take and eat what we had decided to put there. Because we believe that when it is there in that house, it is no longer ours. But we believe that the spirit that is giving us guiding or is looking after that food. So if we happen to take that food there, a certain percentage for eating before summer, before sowing them, then we will not have enough food in the following season. All right?
Il en a fait dans sa poche. Mama is greeting us. Diego. She looks busy. Do we know what she's doing? Any idea what she's doing? Yeah. She's making the mat. This mat she's sitting on is from this. Alright? Anyone who wants to try it? This is the daily duty for men, for females. In fact, it's not like work or duty, but it's the relaxation thing that we do whenever we are done with the daily duties. While sitting, relaxing, we relax by doing this, making the mats or making beads and stuff like that. Alright? Can someone try it just to have a picture, to have a photo, I mean? Okay? Oh. Funny video.
And you sit straight with your legs. If they watch properly. It's like you did that all your life.
Like a frog.
Then, when you have done with again, you start that side until you finish. You add again, you start that side until you finish.
We're going back in 2 hours. Please, I'll finish.
Yeah.
Enjoy the tour. Okay.
Yes.
Good. Yeah.
Thank you.
Last
Yes.
one.
Well done.
I'm good. Okay. Yes, I'm a pro now.
Yes, you are. You are. Thank you.
Well done.
Well done.
Thank you.
Yes, this is the relaxation work for females.